Hi, my name is Nur Shuhada. Today I would like to explain about relationship between biological factor and human factor. Okay, now we start with introduction. What is biological factors? Biological factors is the different physical, physiological, genetic, and neurological condition that affects a person behaviors and thought process. These elements include a person's physical condition, mental chemistry, structures, and genetic composition, because they can impact how the brain and the body's physiological system function. They are essential to the emergence and expression of psychological diseases. Since biological components offer insight into the underlying causes of psychological problems, and understanding of them is crucial for the thorough treatments and management of mental health concerns. Human behavior is the wide range of behavior responses and interaction that people of group display in responses to both internal and external stimuli. It encompasses mental, social, and physical activities that are impacted by a confluence of societal, psychological, and biological elements. Human behavior is readily apparent and quantifiable, and it differs greatly depending on personal characteristics, life events, and surroundings. Human behavior is a dynamic and multidimensional topics of study because of the intricate interaction between various elements that influence how individuals acting and feel in various contexts. Because biological elements including genetics, brain chemistry, and physical health have a considerable impact on an individual behavior and mental process, the relationship between biological factor and human behavior is complex and mutual. Individuals may be predisposed to particular behaviors and psychological states as a result of these biological variables, which can then influence how they interact with and react to their social surroundings. Understanding this link is essential to delivering comprehensive and successful patient care in the nursing context. When evaluating and treating patients, nurses must take into account the biological foundation of behavior, since biological factors might affect that effectiveness and interventions and interventions and the patient's general health. For example, hereditary predispositions to neurological illness and mental health issues may require individualized treatments that meet the patient's biological psychological needs. The relationship between patients is further complicated by sociological elements like cultural background, social support network, and environmental effects, necessitating that nurses use a biopsychosocial approach to patient care. Nurses can better assist patients in reaching optimal health outcome and enhancing their quality of life by combining their knowledge of biological elements with an awareness of psychological and sociological circumstances. For nurses to meet the many requirements of patient in Malaysia, nursing practice has to include biological, psychological, and sociological understanding. A more thorough approach to patient care is the biopsychosocial (BPS) model, which recognizes the interplay of biological, psychological, and social variables in the emergence of illness. In order to deliver effective and comprehensive care, this model highlights the significance of comprehending not only biological components but also social and psychological aspects of health. However, the BPS approach frequently places a strong emphasis on biological aspect, which could result is in a restrict knowledge of the social and psychological influence on health. In order to solve this, Malaysian nurses need to learn more about sociological concepts in order to gain a deeper comprehension of how society functions and how it affects health. This includes being aware of the social determinant of health, which can have a big influence on patient outcome and include socioeconomic status, cultural background, and even environmental factors. Nurses in Malaysia can more effectively handle the complicated connection between variables affecting patient behavior and health by embracing a more integrated strategy by incorporate sociological insight by taking into account the larger social and cultural circumstance is which patient live and receive treatment. This holistic approach not only improve patient but also increase the overall effectiveness of nursing practice. Human behavior is greatly influenced by biological elements, including hormones, genetic, and brain function, which also directly affect nursing practice. Emotion, cognition, and behavior are all regulated by brain functions. For example, prefron- prefrontal cortex impairment can affect impulse control and decision making, which can cause behavioral alteration in people suffering from disorder like traumatic brain injury. Family history raises the likelihood of mental health disorder like depression and schizophrenia, which are also influenced by genetic predispositions. Anxiety and depression disorder are linked to hormonal imbalance, such as elevated cortisol level brought on by ongoing stress, while Parkinson's disease and schizophrenia are linked to altered dopamine levels. Integrating sociological and psychological viewpoints in nursing practice become essential for providing patients with comprehensive care. Nurses must take into consideration both biological factors like medication adherence to control dopamine levels and psychological factors like cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) to treat delusions or hallucination when caring for a patient with schizophrenia. Sociologically speaking, nurses can better customize interventions, including connecting patient with community mental health survey by knowing the patient's social support network, stigma, and financial difficulties. When evaluating and treating behavior of mental health problem, critical thinking is essential. Imagine a situation which a patient suffering from serious depression shows signs of low motivation, and social disengagement. Potential biological like serotonin imbalance, psychological like negative thought patterns, and social like financial stress or social isolation issues should all be critically assessed by a nurse to improve recovery and evidence-based solution and combine social support programs, psychotherapy, and medication. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Nurses can create through customized treatment plans that address the complex nature of human behavior and mental health by combining biological, psychological, and sociological viewpoints. A person's behavior and mental processes are greatly influenced by a variety of physical, psychological, genetic, and neurological problems that are considered biological variables. These elements include a person's general physical health, brain chemistry, brain structure, and genetic composition. Another important component of biological variables impacting behavior is the anatomy and function of the brain. According to neuroimaging research, behavioral and emotional dysregulation are linked to atono- anatomical abnormalities in specific brain regions, including the amygdala and prefrontal cortex. Conditions including attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD) and conduct disorder can result from these abnormalities, which can impact emotional reaction, impulse control, and decision making. Behavior is also influenced by general well-being and physical health. The brain neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers, are also control behavior and mood. Depression has been connected to low serotonin levels, but Parkinson's disease and schizophrenia have been linked to dopamine abnormalities. Anxiety and depression symptoms can result from elevated cortisol level brought on by ongoing stress. Furthermore, the autonomic nervous system contributes to stress reactions. Elevated sympathetic nervous system activities is associated with elevated anxiety and hostility. By analyzing the relationship between thought, emotions, and conduct, psychological viewpoints offer a thorough foundation for comprehending how biological elements affect human behavior. One important viewpoint is the biopsychosocial model, which holds that a complex interplay of social, psychological, and biological variables shape behavior. This approach emphasizes how crucial it is to take into account biological elements that like genetic, brain chemistry, and neurological structure in the larger framework of a person's social and psychological surroundings. For example, place a strong emphasis on how thought processes influence behavior. According to cognitive theories, people's attitudes, beliefs, and perceptions have a big influence on their feelings and behavior. Mental health conditions like sadness and anxiety can result from biological factors that change brain function, such as neurotransmitter imbalance. Gaining insight into these cognitive processes enables the creation of focused treatments such cognitive behavioral therapy, which attempt to alter unhelpful thought patterns and enhance emotional control. By emphasizing observable behavior and their reinforcement, behavioral psychology help to clarify the connection between biological causes and behavioral. According to behavioral theories like classical and operant conditioning, behavior are taught through conditioning process and individual sensitivity to particular behavior and their reactions to external stimuli can be influenced by biological variables such as hormonal impacts or genetic predisposition. For instance, exposure to specific environmental triggers may increase the likelihood of substance usage in people with a genetic predisposition to addiction. By highlighting the significance of self-actualization, personal development, and the innate desire to reach one's potential, humanistic psychology provide an alternative viewpoint. This method acknowledges that a person's capacity to reach their potential and accomplish personal objective can be influenced by biological circumstances. For instance, neurological disorders that impact cognitive function might make it more difficult for a person to maintain positive relationship and take part in fulfilling activities. The goal of humanistic therapies, like person-centered therapies, is to help people transcend biological limits and attain a greater quality of life by creating a supportive atmosphere that encourage personal development and self-awareness. Sociological perspective, which look at the larger social structures, cultural norms, and environmental conditions that impact individual experience, provide an essential lens through which to view how biological elements affect human behavior. The social contractionist approach is a fundamental sociological viewpoint that holds that cultural expectation and societal norms determine many facets of human behavior, including biologically driven aspects. The symbolic interactionist viewpoint helps to clarify the connections between biological variables and behavior. According to this viewpoint, people's interaction with other people and the meanings they ascribe to these encounters influence their behavior and self-concept. How how various facets of society cooperate to preserve stability and order is structural functionalism. This viewpoint can aid in the explanation of how biological elements are incorporated into the larger social structure. The conclusion relationship between biological factor and human behavior. Human behavior is fundamentally shaped by biological variables, including hormones, regulation, brain function, and genetics. These elements also affect cognitive process, emotional regulation, and vulnerability to mental health issues. The intricate nature of human behavior is highlighted by interaction between these biological drivers and psychological and societal elements. In order to provide comprehensive patient-centered interventions, it is essential for nurses to comprehend this interaction. A nurse caring for patients with schizophrenia, for instance, must take into account the biological necessity of antipsychotic drugs to control dopamine levels, but they also need to incorporate psychological treatments like cognitive behavioral therapy to treat delusions and hallucinations, as well as sociological factors like social stigma and family support.